Depressed, hopeless, and overwhelmed. That is the resounding message that I get from men that I talk to both on social media and when I see them after I'm done speaking on stage at events across the nation. Guys, welcome to the show. Today's episode is about men who are overwhelmed, feeling hopeless, and feel as though they've lost their sense of purpose, or they probably never had a sense of purpose in the first place. It's happening more than you would imagine. And if you're one of these fellas, then I want you to pay attention. I think I have the answer for you. Why are men so depressed and overwhelmed and feeling this sense of hopelessness more than ever before? Why is this happening today when we have access to so much at our fingertips through the social media platforms, through Google, through AI, through your iPhone? Well, it's simple. Comfort and convenience breeds complacency. Think about this for a moment. Now, I do believe that depression exists. However, I believe maybe 1% of depression is truly a thing. Like clinically depressed people exist. People that have chemical imbalances in their head. I do believe that's a thing. The other 99% of you out there, and I used to be one of these dudes like 15, 18 years ago, it was self-induced. Your depression, your hopelessness, your lack of purpose is self-induced. I know that's a hard thing to hear, but please stick with me for a second and I'm gonna justify this for you and it'll make sense. Think about the dude in a third world country that has to go pump a well every morning and every afternoon for his family to get water and bring it back to the hut. Think about that guy who has to then go chop a tree so that he can bring firewood back to the hut. Think about that guy that has to go and hunt for food or pick food off trees and bushes so that they can have something to eat that afternoon. That guy is not dealing with depression because that guy is grateful each time he's pumping that well and it gives out water. That guy is grateful each time he's chopping tree and bringing wood home so that they can have fire to cook with and have light and have heat. That guy is grateful each time he catches something, a fish, or he picks twigs and berries off a bush or a tree so that he can have something to eat for him and his family. That guy is grateful. Today, we've got so much comfort, we've got so much convenience that we are complacent because life is too good. We could order our food on an iPhone and have it delivered to us. We could see exactly where it is in town and where it's going to be in the next couple of minutes before it arrives at your doorstep. Everything is so convenient, from ordering on Amazon to checking out social media and figuring out what you like and what you don't like in terms of women that you're trying to chase, but you're not out there actually putting yourself out there talking to a woman who might be interested in you. You're sucking in so much information that's overwhelming, whether it's the Charlie Kirk thing, whether it's the Trump thing, whether it's Kamala going to come back and be president thing, whether it's the economy thing, whether it's the Israel thing, whether it's the Palestine thing. You're bringing in so much information into your brain that it is overwhelmed. See, we are so comfortable with the lives that we have. Everything's become so conveniently available to us that it's near impossible for you to find a piece of gratitude anywhere, because even with all this that's available to you, all these blessings, all these gifts, the health that you have, you woke up, you're breathing, you have a house, you have food, you have access to the Wi-Fi's, you could tap into anything with your social media and your iPhone, instantly get access, yet you don't have gratitude. And when there's an absence of gratitude, there's an absence of hope. When there's an absence of hope, that's when we begin to get depressed. Because when you are not fighting for anything, when you don't have any adventure to live, you don't have a battle to fight, you begin to lose hope. And comfort and convenience causes that. Now, I'm not saying go lose your home, go lose your job so that you can be uncomfortable. You can live like that guy in the third world country and then be happier just for a little bit of water, of dirty water, and have some shitty food to eat. No, what I am saying is wake up with gratitude. Understand, John Eldridge wrote an amazing book called Wild at Heart. And in his book, he talks about how all men, every day of their life, they need a battle to fight and an adventure to have. That is within us. There's a dog in us that needs to hunt. There's a dog in us that needs to chase. There's a dog in us that needs to have an adventure, that needs to have a battle to fight. And if you are not having an adventure, if you're not fighting this battle, fellas, you are creating this state of depression for yourself, the state of anxiety, the state of hopelessness. And you're like, I don't have purpose. Yet you're social scrolling one thing after another, brain rotting yourself into oblivion. And I'm here to tell you that you have to set higher standards, higher expectations for yourself. Go read Wild at Heart by John Eldridge, and then see that you need an adventure to fight every day and a battle to have. That adventure could be getting your body in shape. It could be developing a better relationship. It could be giving back to charity or your favorite church. It could be doing something for your kids and being a better example for your kids. But there's so many battles to have, and there's so many adventures to have. And if you're not having them, my friend, then you are missing out on life. That is what the essence of life is for a man. We are hunters. We're the kind of people that need to go to battle every day, because if we don't, then we end up going to battle here. And so the point I'm making here for you guys, because I love you to pieces, is that if you start setting higher expectations, higher standards for yourself, and you go to battle and you go to have adventures, what is the battle? Make more money. What is the battle? Go and have a greater purpose or cause to stand for. Maybe it's your church. Maybe it's a charity you want to donate to. Maybe it's your kids' freaking sports team that you want to go and coach at. Maybe you want to go and work out and start getting your abs back because you're like, I'm over the hill. I'm over 30. Are you kidding me, man? Come on. I'm 59 and I'm 59. I'm 51. I'm not 59. God forbid. I'm 51. One day I'll be 59 and I'll still have abs, but I'm 51 and I got abs, and I want that for you. Life is so much better than you think. But with all the comforts and all the conveniences of life that we have now, it's so easy to start losing sight that there's people out there pumping water every day, chopping trees, hunting for food. They have gratitude. They are not depressed because they have something to fight for. They have adventure and they have a battle. And I want that for you, my friend. You understand? Now stay tuned for the Keuilian Wellness Shot ad. I love you guys. Peace. Hey guys, quick interruption to the Bedros Keuilian Show. It is cold and flu season, and I want to make sure that you have a strong immune system and that your body is fighting off inflammation, because right now, lots of people around you have the cold or flu. And you want to make sure that, one, you don't get it. And if you do get it, you want to get over it as quickly as possible so you can go back to dominating your day and stacking wins, right? So most of you out there are probably taking a whole bunch of supplements like vitamin C, vitamin D, echinacea, ginger, turmeric, astragalus, B12, zinc. And while all these things are great for building your immune system, one, they cost a lot of money, and two, the quality of the ingredients in here are not great. So I want you to throw all these away, and instead what you're going to do is you're going to get the Keuilian Everyday Wellness Shot. It tastes delicious. You can feel it working. You're going to boost your immune system, fight off inflammation, have more energy, and keep your body hydrated, because we recently added pink Himalayan sea salt for sodium and potassium and magnesium to keep you hydrated. So here's an offer that you can't refuse. Go to Keuilian.com, use my name Bedros to get 50% off the Keuilian Subscribe and Save offer. Plus, you're going to get free shipping and a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. This product is so good, such high quality, strong efficacy, and third-party tested that I want you to try it out at no risk. So use my name Bedros to get 50% off, plus free shipping and 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee.